Now, two Euclid's axioms we discussed in the previous video, right? Now we are beginning with third axiom of Euclid that says if equals are added to equal, then wholes are equal. Now, what is the meaning of whole here, beta? What is the English meaning of whole? Does it mean complete in itself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It means complete in itself. Now they are saying if equals are added to equal, suppose you are there and your brother is there, brother, sister, whoever is there. Suppose you have 100 rupees, your brother or sister is also having 100 rupees. So this means you both have equal money, beta. You and your brother or sister, your sibling is having equal money. Now, if equals are added to equal, अगर आप दोनों को suppose your parents are giving 50-50 more, do you still have equal amount of money with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what it means that if equals are added to equal, जो already equal है, जो चीज already equal है, if you are adding equal to that, then also जो वापस आया whole means 150. Here whole means the total 150. That will also be equal. That will also be equal. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how are we going to represent it mathematically? Mathematically, we are going to represent it like this. For example, let there is one quantity A which is equal to another quantity B. Okay? Let C be added to both. If C is added to both, what will it become? A plus C? Ji beta? And what will RHS become? What will RHS become?
B plus.
B plus.
Yes, B plus C. So since A and B were already equal, it is suppose 100 rupees that you had and equal, let's say 50 more given to both of you. Will you still have equal amount of money now?
Yes, ma'am.
That is what it means by saying if equals are added to equal, then also wholes are equal. So A plus C will also be equal to B plus C. Next is says if equals are subtracted from equals. Now suppose you have 100 rupees, your friend is also having 100 rupees. You did some mistake. आप दोनों ने कुछ mistake किया. So you have to pay fine. Both of you are supposed to pay 20 rupees fine. Can you tell me what is the remainder with you now? Initial amount 100. Both of you made some mistake. You both are supposed to pay 20 rupees each as a fine. What is the remainder amount with you?
80 rupees.
80. Still have equal money? Do you both still have equal money, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if equal amount is subtracted from equal, then also the remainder amount hoga, that will also be equal. Is that okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So that means let A is equal to B. Then if you subtract some same amount, kuch amount from A and the same from B also, then they both will also be equal. Then also they both will be equal. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Things, this is the fifth axiom which says things which coincide with one another. Now children, what is the meaning of coincide? Let us first understand this. Coincide. This inside is made up of word incident. What is the meaning of the incident, if any one of you can tell me?
Ma'am, accident.
Yes, incident means when something happens, some incident, kuch ghatna hona, something to happen, to occur. And co here means same. So when suppose today I'm wearing this dress, and when I meet you, or you find that some other teacher is also wearing the same, then we may say, wow, what a coincidence. Wow, what a coincidence. Coincidence means same thing. Suppose Anik has brought French fries in the tiffin, and when Garvita opens her tiffin, she also finds French fries over there. So both of them can say, wow, what a coincidence. Right? So when same thing is happening, we use the term coincident. So here also it is something related, that things which coincide with one another. कोई ऐसी चीजें जो एक दूसरे से टकराती हैं, then they must also be equal. For example, here in mathematics, what does it mean? They mean to say, suppose there is a line segment AB. Suppose C is a point on this. Let AB be the line segment. Okay? And C coincide with it. C coincide with it means C is also in the same line as of AB. C जो है AB के ही किसी रास्ते में एक point है. So are they coinciding? Are three of them coinciding? Are they in the same line? Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what does it say? That they are equal to one another. That means AC plus CB will be equal to AB. AC plus CB. Why we are saying this? Because C is falling on AB. अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसी जगह है, ये A है, ये B है, and C is somewhere here, can we say in this case that AC plus BC is equal to AB?
No, ma'am.
No, because it forms a triangle. And in a triangle, we know we have done that sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So in this case, we cannot say that AC and CB is equal to AB. No. But here, when they are falling in the same line, when they are coinciding, we can say that AC plus CB is equal to AB. Okay, beta? Then the next thing, that whole is greater than the part. Whole kya hota hai? As we discussed, Abhi. Whole, English meaning of whole. Does it mean complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Mean complete thing. So कोई पूरी जो चीज है वो अपने पार्ट से, अपने हिस्से से बड़ी होगी. Is it obvious? You have a full chocolate, you give a part of it to me, let's say. Then obviously the complete chocolate is greater than the part given to me. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what the sixth axiom is saying, that whole is greater than the part. And I don't think I need to put it in words in any other form. Is it okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are starting with Euclid's postulates, and Arnav will tell us the difference between this one, axiom and postulates. Yes, Arnav.
Ma'am, axioms are ones which are used in daily life, ma'am, whereas postulates are the ones which are used in geometry.
Yes, postulates are specifically for geometry. Axioms are related to mathematics as well as daily life also. You have seen we have done 6 axioms which are used in day-to-day life also. Very good, Arnav. Very good. Keep it up. So now, children, we are going to discuss some of the postulates, some of the basic things which were taken as true without any proof given by Euclids, known as Euclid's postulates. So there are 5 postulates. We will be discussing them one by one. All right. So the first postulate of Euclid says, I'm writing it on. The first postulate says that a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. Now, children, what does it mean when we say from any one point to any other point? Just look at the board. It means if you have a point and you start drawing a line from this point, can you continue drawing it till the time you wish to continue it? Till any other point? Can you continue the straight line as long as you want? I'm not saying line segment, I'm saying line, which means it is infinite in length. Is that okay? So it says a straight line can be started from one point and it can continue till any other point. All right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Second, a terminated line. Student, what is the meaning of terminated? Can you tell me the meaning of terminated? What is the meaning of terminate? English meaning of terminate, if anybody.
And
Huh?
Ma'am,
To end.
ma'am,
and
stop.
to stop.
To end. Very good. Terminate. आपने सुना होगा the metro terminates here, the bus terminates here, the bus terminals. So terminal, terminate means where it stops. It ends. So they are saying if there is a terminated line can be produced. Produce means, बताइए. Anybody who
Increase.
can tell?
That
Ma'am, increase.
Ma'am to
Yes. Indefinitely. What is indefinite? Indefinite means without any fixed length. Infinitely. तो क्या मतलब है इसका? अगर आपके पास एक लाइन है, we know the lines में we put arrows. What is the use of these arrows? What is the purpose, significance of these arrows?
Ma'am, it is
ma'am, that the line is ma'am
The
unlimited.
line is endless.
Yes, it can be extended, it can be produced in any direction indefinitely. That is what this postulate is saying. Now, do we need any proof for this postulate? It is very much obvious. These are the obvious things. So it can be extended here, it can be extended this side also. If you want, I'm just giving the rough representation of what these postulates mean. Okay? The third one. A circle can be drawn. A circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Is it true or false, children?
ma'am,
True.
true.
Is it true? You can decide center anywhere. You can select radius of your choice and just get the work done. All right angles are equal to one another. Is it again true, children? Are all right angles going to be, what is the measure of right angle? We all know that. Quickly.
90 degree.
Ma'am, 90 degree.
90 degree.
There is one angle, right angle. There is another right angle. There is third right angle. Are they all going to be equal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Are they
ma'am.
all?
Yes, ma'am.
So all right angles are equal to one another. Is it okay? So that is what the fourth postulate said. Anik, this is the fifth postulate given by Euclid and the last one. I know it's little longer. Let us understand it in parts. It says, if a straight line falling on two straight lines, there are two straight lines like this, let's say, and there is third straight line which is falling. मैं यहाँ bracket में falling लिख देती हूँ so that you know. This straight line is falling on the other two straight lines, makes the interior angles on the same side of it. On the same side of it, let's say this one, 1, 2, Are these interior angles on the same side of it, beta? Children, थोड़ा सा बड़ा I am making it so that you can see clearly. Let it be 1, let it be 2. Now these are the interior angles on the same side of it. Taken
Yes, ma'am.
together, less than 2 right angles. Now what is the measure of 2 right angles, children?
180.
180 degrees. Now looking at the figure, what is your assumption? Is angle 1 plus angle 2 less than 180 or greater than 180?
Less than 180.
Clearly we can see it's less than 180 degree. Then the two straight lines, then these two straight lines A and B. Two straight lines. What is the name we are giving here then? A and B. If produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of angle is less than 2 right angles. तो कह रहे हैं अगर हम इसको produce करते हैं, produce, then these two lines will meet on which side? On the side where the sum of angles is less than 180 degree. Can you see they are going to meet somewhere? लेकिन इन दो sides पे ये जो angle है बेटा, angle 3 plus angle 4, this is greater than 180 degree. We can see. अगर आप इसको produce करोगे, the gap will keep increasing or decreasing?